Lowe's has their ferns, 2 for $20. Hey y'all, welcome back. Long time no see. I have been MIA, but I have been busy. I did drop a couple of shorts while I was away, so if you didn't check those out, go check them out. You will see that I had my hands full dog sitting. My son, my youngest one, y'all, just crossed the stage, and he graduated from high school with honors. So I am officially done with high school. My kids are officially grown. Mama done did it. Yes. So that's what's been going on with me. But if you watched my last video also, you know I said that I failed. And then I had to buy that wood. So I'm going to be, in this video, I'm going to be starting on getting my outside together. The outside of my home together. And I'm going to start with the front porch. So you guys will see what I needed the wood for in this video. And I do have like the back. If you're not new to my channel, then I've always shown me cleaning up and decorating my top and bottom deck. That's in the mix. That's coming up in another video. But I've never really focused on my outside other than for Christmas and a couple of times in the fall. But I really need to get that together. I found out that BJ's, because I've always wanted those planters, those tall planters to sit outside my door. And I found out that BJ's got them for, I think, $15.99. So I'm about to head over there and get me two. And yeah, so that's a little bit of what's been going on. So about me falling, I hurt myself like I really did. My finger, my wrist, bruised my hip, y'all. I did not sit down. I continued to work. Both of my jobs, I did not take no time off. I continued to work through all of that. And I still am having pain through my arm or whatever. And I don't wear my brace every day. But with that being said, I've been resting because I needed to rest my arm. And I still need to rest my arm. But the good thing is, I don't have to work my part-time job over the summer, so I'll get at least 2 months off. Fingers crossed they don't call me in, or if they call me in, I mean, I'm okay with that. But so I can rest this arm and try to hopefully to get it to heal completely. But yeah, that's what's been going on with me. So I'm about to take y'all along with me. I need to go to the stores. I'm going to go to BJ's and Lowe's real quick. And then I'm coming back home because I'm going to start on my front. I'm not going to finish it all in this video. Hopefully my grass get cut soon. Because I definitely do not want to drop this video with my grass looking the way that it looks. It looks hideous. So, but yeah, I'm about to take y'all along. So. Alright y'all, these are the planters that I was talking about. You can use it this way, or you can flip it and use it this way. Lowe's has their ferns, 2 for $20. I'm probably gonna kill these, but it is what it is. I want some ferns outside my door, so we'll see how long these things last. I'm currently trying to find some mulch to go around my trees outside in the front, so that's where I'm headed. Y'all, nothing irritates me more than seeing a man sit there and watch a woman struggle to get something. And he works here, by the way. But I got my mulch. Y'all, I just got back, and my good old cousin, he about to cut my grass. Lord, it needed it. Oh my goodness, it needed it bad. Oh, why did I shut the garage? I gotta let the garage up because I gotta get all this stuff out of my car. I stopped and got me a salad from Zaxby's. I'm about to eat it before I do anything. So, and I have dogs coming tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to get as much as I can get done today because I'll have them until like for a week, I think. Almost a week. Yeah, I think it's from Thursday to Thursday, I want to say. So, yeah. All right, y'all, real quick, while he's in the back with the lawnmower, this is what I need the wood for. I'm going to throw up a picture of what they look like before they fixed them. My cousin and my uncle came through and fixed these 3, and then there was 3 in the back. And then I had to get this part fixed too. It was rotted out, so that's what the wood was for. And now I'm about to paint those. And I did come home and put some paint clothes on this same day, so I'm about to go ahead. I put my hair back and I'm about to paint.
Something like a chameleon at the party, tryna be everyone's type. Look what I started. Writing all of these love songs for somebody else. Posting all of these pictures so downhearted. I lost myself 1,000 times. Please, Lord, don't let it be 1,000 more. A broken angel in disguise, still searching for the version of you at my core. I'll swear when I find you, I'll never let you go. I swear when I find you, I'll love you like you know you deserve to be. You're everything, the best version of me. I swear when I find you,
guaranteed, no matter where I am, if I'm wherever I'm at in the house, if you don't see this dog right here, trust me, he's on the outside of the door standing. He protects me like nothing I've seen in my life. And y'all, I'm trying to do the best that I can do with this injured arm. I'm having trouble because I can't really bend my arm certain ways without it hurting. So, all right, yesterday, y'all, I had decided to paint around my door first before I did the paint on the steps because I didn't want the grass, when he did the weed eating, I didn't want it to get in the paint. So this is the outcome of me painting, and I just seen that I missed the spot right there, but it's all good. And my steps are now painted. I did the back too, but I painted last night. So it was too dark for me to film, but I just wanted to show you guys the outcome of me painting.
what I always wanted, I could never have it. Gone before I grabbed it, over before it started. No, I could never have it. always dreamed of. I could always see us, shadows in the distance, watching from the fences, but I could never have it. Now the space between us laughs at all our hopes and dreams was. I am full from my beliefs. My time stands still while you're dancing in the darkness. You think we should go our separate ways, but I think you're worth the wait. 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 I think you're worth the wait. What I never wanted always seems to happen. It's not the way we planned it, nothing like a picture, but we can still repaint it. I could find someone new, easier to run to, but they could never be you. I will always be here, no matter what we go through. Time stands still while you're dancing in the darkness. You think we should go our separate ways, but I think you're worth the wait. We vowed we'd be together, come whatever, come what may. And though we're growing old, you're not alone, my heart won't change. Our memories will keep me warm until love calls you home. Worth the wait. Worth the wait. Worth the wait. I think you're worth the wait.
Alright, y'all, this is just the final look of the front porch area. I still have to do the mulch, so I'll be doing that starting in the next clip. But I just wanted to give y'all an overview of this thing here. This is just a quick, easy, cheap fix. Oh, I gotta put the other screws in at the top. I didn't realize that. But cheap, $20, Amazon. I thought that I was getting the one that you could sit down without putting it in the grass, but of course you just see me have to push this into the grass because I do have the concrete area, and I need to pressure wash my house. I need a pressure washer. So but yeah, it is what it is right now. But I did go ahead, I hung these up last night, and I think they look so good in the front area. Got my lights out. All this need to be pressure washed. Like, this is crazy. Then going up the stairs. And hello. And these actually light up. They're solar lights, the little angels. So, and I love this one. He is reading the Bible. Listen. If you don't, you don't. And this is the angel that I had sitting down at the bottom. But you can see that she's all broken. But look what she's holding, y'all. It looks like a dog. It might be a lamb. But it looks like a dog to me. You know, that's right up my alley. So, and when the people that I bought this house from, when they tried to update this, I did not do this, y'all. This was already on my house. So
when I find you,